Today we're going to look at how to solve inequalities when we're given a word problem. So first we're going to define some of the most common words that you're going to see. So at most means less than or equal to, because that's the maximum. So this expression would be less than or equal to 7. This says Luis wants to score at least, opposite of at most, so that's greater than or equal to. He wants to earn 85 or above. So he wants to earn at least an 85. Mr. Melnick's classes sizes are no less than. So this is like saying the opposite of less than. Opposite of less than, greater than. 18 students. Juan can spend no more than. So no, again, opposite. So it's the opposite of more than, so less than. The baseball reached a maximum height, so it did not go any higher than 183, so it's less than 183. Teenagers should sleep for a minimum of 7 hours every night. That means they need to sleep for at least 7 hours. John earns $8 per hour. That means every hour that he works, he gets $8. So per in this case means to multiply. All right, taxi cab charges a $4 flat fee. Flat fee means no letter or no variable. And then it says plus $5 per mile. Well, we know that per means to multiply. All right, so we got a $4 flat fee, so no variable, plus $5 per mile. So we know that per means I need a variable. All right, a repairman charges $100 per hour, so that's up here, and a $25 service charge. Service charge is just like flat fee, where there is no variable needed. So we have $100 per hour, and means plus $25 service charge, again, no variable. So when we're solving inequality word problems in one variable, you want to follow these 3 steps. You want to underline your keywords, circle important numbers, and define variables. What are you looking for? All right, so let's underline our keywords. So we have already earned, that means that's what she's starting with. Let's see, we know that per means to multiply, and she wants to raise at least, which we know means greater than or equal to. All right, so that's step 1. Step 2 says to circle important numbers. So we're going to find our numbers. So $200, $5, and $500. And then it says define the variable, what are you looking for? So it says write and solve an inequality that represents how many boxes. So this is what I'm looking for. That's my question. So now it says write and solve. So first we'll write. So we know that we're starting with $200 and she's selling candy, so we're adding an amount of money. That's $5 per box, so we know that that means I need a letter. And she wants to raise at least, which is greater than or equal to $500. All right, so that's our inequality, and now we need to solve for x. Figure out how many boxes she wants to sell. So we're going to subtract 200 from both sides. 500 minus 200 is 300. Divide by the number in front. 300 divided by 5 is 60. So she must sell at least 60 boxes in order to get $500.